Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about optimization on Amazon product images and creating a customer avatar. Let's get into it. Today, we're discussing an essential element of success on Amazon: optimizing your product images and creating a customer avatar. Let's explore how these factors can significantly enhance your product listings and ultimately drive more sales. To start, it's crucial to analyze your primary product image. This image serves as the first point of contact for potential customers, so it must be eye-catching and representative of your product. High-quality images set against simple backgrounds help your product stand out in a crowded marketplace. Remember, clarity is key here. Next, think about your secondary images. These are your chance to tell a more detailed story about your product. Use these images to showcase different angles, features, and even lifestyle shots that depict your product in use. For example, if you're selling a fitness tracker, include images of someone wearing it during a workout. This visual connection helps potential customers envision how they would use the product in their lives. Now let's talk about the psychological aspect of colors in your images. Using vibrant colors can grab attention in the Amazon search results. If your product has a striking color, like blue or green, consider showing it in a setting that enhances that color's appeal, such as a bright kitchen or an outdoor environment. This approach not only makes your listing stand out, but also invokes emotions tied to those colors. Transitioning to customer avatars, it's essential to know who you're selling to. Understanding your target audience allows you to create more tailored images that resonate. Think about demographics like age, lifestyle, and needs. If your product is aimed at college students, your imagery should reflect their lifestyle. Think vibrant colors, social settings, and convenience. Gathering insights into your customer base can be incredibly beneficial. Look at reviews and feedback on your products or even competitors' products to understand what matters to your potential customers. This research helps in creating images that directly speak to their desires and pain points. Moreover, consistency in your imagery across various listings is vital. This builds a strong brand identity and fosters trust among your customers. Consider doing A/B testing with different images to see which performs better. Sometimes a small tweak can lead to improved click-through rates and conversions. In conclusion, optimizing your product images and creating a well-defined customer avatar is crucial for success on Amazon. These elements not only enhance your listings, but also connect your brand with the right audience. So take some time to refine your images and understand your customers better. Thank you for tuning in, and let's make your listings shine. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.